Right, welcome to another lesson in high school ICT. In this short video I want to show you how to set up an academic table. It's in your notes, and basically an academic table requires you to have one or more primary key. Remember, a primary key is set so that you have a record that is unique. So if we go to my data sheet view, we've set it on, remember each of these are my field names, going down the columns and then going across as the record. So here I've got Caitlin Adams, age 15, grade 10, high school, Denville, interest is in reptiles, etc. And I'll just put these two in for random for now, because I'm going to show you what we're going to do with boys and girls later in the academic table. So I've set it so that student 1 or ID 1 is only Kathleen Adams, and ID 2 will be Diana, 3 Mildred, etc. So we don't duplicate records. We did do that in the previous video. Right, so in order to do that, I'm going to click on my field, or my field name, hold down shift, and I'm going to choose cell number as my second primary key. And you can see I've set 2. We call it a composite or a compound key. Alright, so with the academic table, what you can do is you can add up certain totals, and I'm going to add up the amount of boys and girls that are found in this table. And it doesn't matter whether they're grade 10, 11 or 12, or year 10, 11 or 12, doesn't matter. Maybe I should change this to call that year. Okay. And here we have those students. Okay. So what I'm going to do over here, I'm going to put in a field name called total, and I'm going to call it, or use the data type called calculated. The minute I do that, it brings up an expression builder. The expression builder allows you to build expressions with where you can create sums, etc. You can add, you can minus, you can put constraints in, you can put functions in, etc. We'll talk a little bit more about this in further lessons. So for now, I want to choose, there's boys. And I'm going to go to operators, and I'm going to click on plus. You can see it's chosen that field name. Go back to volunteer data, and there's girls. Okay. And I'm going to click OK. Something else that you can do, let me just save that quickly. Something else that you can do, you can also move your field names around, just to add that when you create a composite or compound field, or key rather, you want to make sure that the two of them are next to each other. So let's say I wanted to use age as well. I could pull age up, and by simply clicking on it I can pull it down. You can see it makes a little bit of a little square underneath. Okay, so I've got age there. I could have chosen that to be a primary key as well, so I could have chosen all 3 and chosen those as my primary keys. I could have done that. Okay, so here I've got total, and I've done calculated, and I've used my expression builder for that. Okay, so let's save, and if you look here, let's pull this across. I've got boys, girls, and then it's added it up: 10 plus 12, 22, 13, 15, 28, etc. Right, so it's as easy as that. Go back and watch the video and practice. Till next time then, take care.